All right, let's continue with 2/4 x. And the reciprocal of 2 over 4 x would be 4 over 2. For x over 4, I can rewrite it as 1/4 x. It means the same thing. It's a little easier to see and visualize it. So the reciprocal of 1/4 x would be 4 over 1. And lastly, 1/8, the reciprocal of 1/8 would be 8 over 1. All right, example number 1, we're going to solve equations using the multiplication. So I have w over 4 equals 12. I can rewrite it as 1/4 w equals 12. The reciprocal of 1/4 would be 4 over 1, so I'm going to times both sides by 4 over 1. And that gives me 4 over 4w equals 48. 4 over 4 equals just 1, so I can write w equals 48. I can check my answer by plugging in 48 for w in the original problem. So 48 over 4 equals 12. We know 48 divided by 4 is 12, so 12 equals 12. So we are correct. My second example, I have 2 over 7, x equals 6. So the reciprocal of 2 over 7 is 7 over 2. So what I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other. 7 times 2 is 14. 2 times 7 is 14. 6 times 7 is 42. And 2 times 1 is 2. I know 14 divided by 14 gives me 1, so I can just write x equals 21. If you don't want to do this last step right here, you don't have to. You can just write x because you know the reciprocal will always give you 1. To check my answer, I'm going to plug in 21 for w. So 2 over 7 times 21 equals 6. So I can put a 1 underneath. So 2 times 21 is 42. 7 times 1 is 7 equals 6. And then 42 divided by 7 gives me 6, so 6 equals 6. I do have a few U-tries to try out. You can pause the video now, and then you can check your answers with me. I'm going to rewrite it as 1/8 a equals 6. Again, times it by its reciprocal, times both sides by 8 over 1. Gives me 8 over 8a equals 48 over 1. A equals 48. I'm going to rewrite this as 14 equals 2/5 y. And I'm going to multiply both sides by 5 over 2 because we want to get our variable alone. It gives me 70 over 2 equals 10 over 10y, which we know 10 over 10 gives us 1, so this is just y equals 35. And lastly, you can see the last one written a little differently. 3z divided by 2 equals 9. It's the same thing. The division is the same thing as the fraction bar. So the reciprocal is 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 gives me 6 over 6z equals 18 over 3. Z equals 6. Enjoy your worksheet, and please check out Stella's diaries on one of the new tabs that I just posted. Thank you.